Hi! So you might have already seen my window works video where I demonstrate how to create a large window light in my studio. Today I'm going to give that a little bit of a different feel. I'm going to put a bed in the set and it's going to look more like a kind of sunlit bedroom. So I'm also going to add in an additional light with this set, a large softbox light, and that's what I'm actually going to use to illuminate the model. The window light on its own is great, but as we move the model away from the background, there's not enough light to actually illuminate the model. So by adding this second light source in this side of the background panels, we can actually illuminate the model separately, but still create the illusion that the window light is doing all the work. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So as if by magic, there it is. There's our bed set up, all ready to go. Obviously it's not a bed, it's actually two tables, two fold-up tables. They work really well because they take up such little space when they're folded up, and if space is at a premium in your studio like it is in mine, then the fold-up tables are really cool. So today we are using white bedding in our studio set. We're doing that for a couple of reasons. First of all, we're predominantly going to be lighting our studio set from one side, and so the other side is going to have some stronger shadows, which we want to eliminate by bouncing a little bit of light back in, and we can do that by having some white bedding. And the other reason is, of course, that I just like the feel of that kind of light, bright, summery feel that the images have with the white bedding. Hope that all makes sense. Cool, okay, so here we are. We've got our model Kelly here ready for us to start taking some pictures. Got our softbox over there. That's going to be the light that's going to be illuminating her. To start off with, I'm just going to get her to pose across the bed. I'm going to actually do a shot without that light on so you can see how much difference it makes when we do use it afterwards. Cool, okay, so we're just going to take a couple of pictures without that softbox on, just to show you what little effect the window light is having on Kelly there. 2, 3, chin up a touch, Kelly, and the eyes closed for me there, 3, 4. That's gorgeous, there we go. Or it's not actually gorgeous because we can't see you because you're in the shadow, but that's as expected. Okay. Cool, okay, let's go ahead and put that softbox light on now, and then we can see what a difference it makes. Now that's beautiful, and that lovely stretch up, 2, 3, closing the eyes again, and beautiful, and just play with the vest top with both hands for me, just there, that's gorgeous. 2, 3, and that's beautiful. That light just coming across the legs just there and onto the chest is really stunning. Yeah, super. Can we just do one more just there, Kelly? Cool, okay, so let's change the pose. So Kelly, if you can come and kneel up on the bed for me and just facing towards this light for me. So quite close to the window just there. That's fantastic. And okay, so I'm going to match the light to Kelly's pose now. So obviously she's now kneeling up, so we want that softbox in a nice vertical position, and I'm going to take the softbox just slightly behind her so we can create just a little hint of backlighting so we can create some shadows on this side of her body. Okay, so the key to this set is really the simplicity. So we're just using one light, one softbox. Keeps it really simple. But it does mean, you know, we can still get quite a lot of variety out of the set. We can get a lot of poses out of it. I'm going to show you what I mean by that now. So I'm going to move Kelly, get her to pose up here, and we're going to move the light source to match. So Kelly, if you can put your head up that end and lie down in the middle of the bed for me, and as she's horizontal, then I'm going to also make the light source horizontal to match her pose. Okay, so with Kelly in this new pose, and we've got the light to match here, we've turned it around horizontally so it matches her pose, and we've brought it forward so that we've got the light coming into her face a little bit more. We can start shooting. Here we go, chin up there, that's good, and 3, 4. So the beauty about this pose now is we can actually shoot it from either direction. We can shoot from this side or this side.